Over the last 10 years, we've worked with more than 1,000 small businesses and helped them move from spreadsheets, clunky setups, or the wrong CRM into something better. In this video, I'm not going to waste your time by comparing the top 5 CRMs. I'm telling you right now, the best CRM for small businesses is Pipedrive. When you've done as many Pipedrive setups and new builds as we have, patterns start to show up. You notice where teams get stuck and what they think they need in a CRM versus what they actually use. Here are my top 3 reasons why Pipedrive is the best CRM for most small businesses. Number 1, and this is the biggest reason, Pipedrive is the easiest CRM to use. And you don't just have to take my word for it. Multiple independent reviews confirm this. And across the thousands of customers that we've helped, the number 1 reason they tell us they chose Pipedrive is because they found it the simplest, most intuitive, and easy to use. And Pipedrive is great if you're coming from a simple spreadsheet where you've got columns to track your leads and deal information. That's going to copy into Pipedrive really easily. So here I am in Pipedrive on the main deal pipeline view. And you can see on this particular sales pipeline, I've got stages that I've customized to clearly show where each of my deals or sales opportunities currently sits in our sales process. And you can define these stages and the milestones of your sales process however you like. And you can have multiple pipelines for different revenue streams or different lines of business. Creating a new deal is really quick and easy. So if I get a call, somebody rings me up, I can quickly click the add deal button and I need to create a new contact. So we're going to create one for John Arab Shahi. I'll put in John's email here. I can fill in his phone number and create the contact for this new person. I can also create the organization that John works for, and I can list multiple contacts under the same organization. And then finally, we're going to create a deal for trying to sell some Asana consulting services to this person. I can choose what pipeline do I want to put this deal on. So we'll put him onto the sales pipeline into qualified lead. And I can fill in any of this other additional information down here, like the type of deal or the source. Where did this come from? So maybe I want to track this as a referral. All of these fields are customizable and you can set up your own for collecting information specific to your particular sales process. So there we go. In no time at all, I've created a brand new deal, which is where I can input things like my notes. I can log activities and I can set myself reminders for when to follow up, or I could even book a meeting through here. I could invite John to a meeting in person or via a video conferencing service like Zoom, and this can sync to my calendar. And you can even send emails from Pipedrive. From the email compose window, I can write an email really quickly using one of my pre-written templates. These can be templates that I've written in advance and that are shared among my sales team. And once I add my signature, I can click send, and this email gets sent using my connected Gmail or my Microsoft account. And the conversation, the email that I've sent, and the response from the prospect are all connected and linked to the deal. By working in Pipedrive on a daily basis, by sending emails from your deals, inputting your notes while you're in a sales meeting, the CRM is always up to date. So even if you revisit a deal months later after somebody asks you to follow up in Q3, you can get back to your deal and pick up where you left off really easily. The second reason Pipedrive is the best CRM for small business is for its value for money. Pipedrive offers insane value for the features and capabilities that you get. There are cheaper CRMs on the market, and quite frankly, they are cheaper for a reason, and there are trade-offs with price. With Pipedrive, you get a very powerful, very capable CRM for a very fair price. Let's look at the options. There are 2 components to Pipedrive's pricing. The first is you can choose what subscription level you want, and this is the price you pay for every user on your team on either a monthly or annual basis. You can pay up front for a year to get cheaper pricing. You can start as little as the light plan for $14 per user per month. If you're coming from a spreadsheet, that's a great option. I generally recommend getting at least the growth plan so that you can sync your email and build automations to help you in your sales process. And when you're really serious about getting the most out of Pipedrive, you want to become a power user, go for that premium option that comes with the most features that you're going to need. Once you've chosen your subscription, you can also add on additional features like Lead Booster for collecting leads and submissions from your website, manage projects in Pipedrive, send marketing emails, track website traffic, and even generate quotes and contracts using the Smart Docs templates. And depending on what you need, some of these add-ons actually come included in the premium pricing. What's great about Pipedrive's pricing is you can choose the subscription level and any add-ons that you need to fit your specific budget and requirements. You have total flexibility. And most customers of ours who sign up tell us that they paid for Pipedrive within a couple of weeks because they have a better system for following up or a simple automation that helps them to nurture their deals. A lot of other CRMs lock you into long-term contracts and include a lot of features, a lot of which you don't really use. You can sign up to Pipedrive using our partner link in the description or request a quote from Mineco. We are a Pipedrive Platinum partner. You can buy through us and we will give you a discount off the list price. And my third reason why Pipedrive is the best CRM is that it is scalable. I started using Pipedrive over 11 years ago in 2016 as an individual, and now we are a team of 14 people. And we have some customers with well over 100 salespeople on Pipedrive. You can connect Pipedrive with other tools in your tech stack, like your email, calendar. Pipedrive has its entire app marketplace of integrations. You can connect Pipedrive with your own custom integrations using its open API, or connect to your AI systems using its MCP. You can build automations, and Pipedrive comes with enterprise-grade security and compliance capabilities. So all of this to say, you can grow your business without outgrowing Pipedrive. If you want to learn more about what Pipedrive can do for your business, we have a more detailed demo video, which we will link up here. Okay, so what about other CRMs? Firstly, compared to Pipedrive, other CRMs like Zoho and Monday aren't nearly as intuitive or easy to use. If you want, sign up for a trial and give them a go, or just take my word for it. The one serious contender is HubSpot. And HubSpot does have some powerful marketing capabilities, but you are going to pay more and you will be trading off that ease of use. This is why I stand by my claim that Pipedrive is the best CRM for small businesses. If you want to learn more, we have hundreds of videos on this channel showing you different Pipedrive features and capabilities. And if you have any questions, drop me a comment down below. I will give you an honest answer. And thanks very much for watching.